else. For a person who is in a need of a house, who is not having his own house, the meaning of success to him will be to purchase a luxurious house, to purchase a good house in a good society. And the meaning of success to a jobless person will be to having a good job. So the meaning of success varies from individual to individual. But meaning of success to me, that is something else that I'm going to discuss with you, that I'm going to share with you. That is, you should have a success to this world. You should, uh, you should get all those things for what you are dreaming about in your life. You should also have a spiritual success, and that spiritual success will be only obtainable when you will be a good person, when you will be a good human. You should possess, you should have some good qualities in you. You need to polish yourself in order to gain all successes. For that, you should be a courteous, you should be a helpful, you should be a loving, you should be a caring, and you should be a supporting to your society. Your social relation, your public relation should be a very good. Outwardly, you can be a successful person, you can have all luxuries of your life, but inwardly, you will be a quite unsuccessful person if you are not spiritually a good person, you are not having a good qualities inside you, if you are not a good human. You should be a very polite, you should be a very gentle with your neighbors, with your colleagues, with your family members, with your friends, and with your students. If you are a teacher, you should be a very good with uh, your student. If you are employee, you should be a very good with the other colleagues in your company. And this success is not easier, it's not something easier that you can obtain, and you can obtain without any hard work, without any suffering. Success always require determination, success always require passion, success always require pains. If you are ready to bear all those pains, if you are ready to bear all those suffering, success will never be a far away from you. And if you want to become a successful individual of your society, you have to undergo through those pains. You have to bear the hardships of the time. If you are mentally prepared to bear the hardships of the time, then only success will be obtainable to you. And the last thing is this: success also